Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download Snapchat on your Windows. Snapchat like having the most popular like application for the stories and so on. So all you need to do is you want to have Snapchat on your Windows. Besides you having on your mobile, all you need to do, go for Microsoft Store, press enter, then go for the search and press Snapchat. Go for the first one here, like you'll have it, and then press get. In order to proceed the installation phase, just you need to wait for this one to in order to get it. Preparing for download. And then there you go guys, you have a Snapchat on your Windows. It's ready to deploy, it's ready to use the application on your Windows. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.